Hello and welcome. If you're getting ready for TNEA 2026, VV College of Engineering in Thoothukudi is one you should definitely know about. Now, the first thing to remember for your counseling is the TNEA Code 4864. Let's dive in and see what this college is all about.
So, what makes this college stand out right away? Well, it's an autonomous institution, which is a big plus. But here's the real headline. Every single one of its engineering departments is also a recognized ANA University Research Center. That's not something you find just anywhere, and it really signals a deep commitment to high-quality academics from the very beginning.
So, first things first, let's get to know the college's core identity and its roots in southern Tamil Nadu.
Okay, here are the essential details. The college was established back in 2010. It's an autonomous, self-financing college, and it's affiliated with ANA University in Chennai. Now, for your admissions planning, this is key. 65% of the seats, that's the majority, come through the TNEA government quota, while the other 35% are for the management quota.
The college was brought to life by the VVM Educational Trust, and they had a very clear mission from day one: to make top-notch engineering education a reality for students coming from rural backgrounds. This idea of accessibility is really at the core of why this college was started.
All right, let's move on to something that's incredibly important for both students and parents: accreditation. This is the official stamp of approval that tells you the college is serious about maintaining national standards of quality. So for the upcoming academic year, 2025-26, the college has its AICTE approval in place. That's a must. And here's a big one. If you're looking at mechanical engineering, you should know that the program is accredited by the NBA, and that accreditation is valid all the way until June 2027. That is a really strong indicator of quality for that particular department. Now for the part that students are probably most excited about. What can you actually study here? Let's take a look at the engineering programs that are available for the 2026 admissions. Here's the list of what's on offer. You can see there's a really strong focus on circuit and software-related fields. Computer science has the highest number of seats at 90. You also have modern branches like AI and data science, along with ECE and EEE, each with 60 seats. And of course, the foundational core branches, civil and mechanical, are available too, with a more focused intake of 30 seats each. So if you add all that up, you get a total of 330 undergraduate engineering seats for the TNEA 2026 admission cycle. And who's doing the teaching? Well, the college reports having at least 17 faculty members with PhDs. You know, this is a really important number because it means you're learning from genuine experts who have deep knowledge and research experience in their subjects. You remember how we started by mentioning those research centers? Well, let's circle back to that because the environment for research and innovation is a huge part of what makes this place tick. These are the 5 official university-recognized research centers right there on campus. And look at the variety, from computing and renewable energy to advanced materials. For you as a student, this means there are real opportunities to get your hands dirty with projects that go way beyond your regular textbook syllabus. And it's not just internal work. The research here is getting noticed and funded by external bodies, like the Tamil Nadu State Council for Science and Technology, and even ANA University itself. When government agencies invest in a college's research, it's a very strong vote of confidence in the quality of work being done. And just to show you this isn't just talk, here's a real example. This is the title of a research paper by one of the faculty, Dr. P. Mohammed Nishath. It was published in Fuel, which is a prestigious international journal published by Elsevier. This is the kind of high-impact, real-world research that's happening on campus. Okay, academics are crucial. We get that. But college is also about the experience, right? So what's life actually like outside the lecture halls at VCOE? Let's talk campus and community. For many families, especially those with students moving away from home, the hostel is a top priority. And here, you can see the college has separate hostels for both boys and girls. They've got the essentials covered, both veg and non-veg food options, Wi-Fi, power backup, and importantly, 24-hour medical assistance. It's all about providing a safe and comfortable place to live and study. Looking at the broader campus, there are some pretty impressive facilities. The library alone is massive, over 50,000 square feet. Then there's a huge 9-acre sports complex with tons of indoor and outdoor options. And of course, the practical things are sorted too, like campus-wide Wi-Fi and a transport service. For those traveling by train, the nearest station is Vallioor Jn, which is about 20 kilometers away. All right, now for the question that's on every family's mind. After 4 years of hard work and investment, what happens next? What's the path to a professional future? Let's talk about careers and placements. The big number here, according to the college's own data, is 90%. That's the placement rate they report. At the end of the day, this figure represents the return on investment for all the effort and resources you put into your degree.
So how does that 90% happen? Well, it's not by accident. There's a clear, structured training plan that spans all 4 years. It starts with building communication skills in the first year. Then comes industry exposure through visits and lectures in the second year. By third year, things get really focused with aptitude training and mock interviews. Finally, in the fourth year, it's all about direct interaction with companies. It's a progressive build-up, not a last-minute scramble.
Just before we wrap up, our standard disclaimer. All the information we've shared today has been compiled from the college's official website and from trusted government portals, and it's all current as of April 2026.
We hope this detailed breakdown of VV College of Engineering has given you a clearer picture for your admission planning. To continue your research and compare more colleges, head over to profsam.com, your true source for 12th to engineering decisions.